Welcome to our channel. If you want to opt out of iCloud backup on Fire TV to manage your storage and privacy settings, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Note that Fire TV is an Amazon product and does not use iCloud for backups, as iCloud is an Apple service. Step 2. However, if you have linked your Apple ID or use apps that sync with iCloud on Fire TV, you can manage those settings. Step 3. Open the Fire TV settings by pressing the Home button on your remote and selecting Settings from the menu. Step 4. Navigate to Applications and select Manage Installed Applications. Step 5. Find any app that uses iCloud syncing, such as Apple Music or other third-party apps. Step 6. Select the app and look for options related to account management or data syncing. Step 7. Sign out of your Apple ID within the app to stop iCloud syncing. Step 8. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID, and select iCloud. Step 9. Scroll down to see all apps using iCloud and toggle off any apps that are connected to Fire TV. Step 10. This will prevent those apps from backing up data to iCloud while using Fire TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.